Hey guys, Miguel here with Donley Ford here in Mount Vernon, and I just want to let you know there will be a $750 cash offer on top of all the incentives through February 29th, and that's on all Bronco Sports, Expeditions, Explorers, Edges, kind of just like this Edge right here. This would also qualify for it. All new vehicles, new Edge, new Explorer right here, and then working our way over here to the lovely Escape. Heck yeah, the Bronco Sport, Outer Banks. Feel free to shoot me a call if any of these incentives intrigue you, you want to know a little bit more about it, or you just want to get some questions or maybe work up some rough numbers. Again, my name is Miguel with Donley Ford of Mount Vernon. I'll be more than happy to help you out.